Have you ever wondered, why do women have periods? Well, it's a great question, and the answer lies in the fascinating world of biology. Menstruation is a natural process, a part of the reproductive cycle that prepares a woman's body for pregnancy every month. It's the shedding of the uterine lining, a process that's as normal as breathing or digestion. Understanding why women have periods can demystify this natural process and foster a more open conversation about women's health. So, what happens in a woman's body that leads to menstruation? Well, it all begins with the menstrual cycle, a roughly 28-day process that is a marvel of biological engineering. This cycle is divided into phases: the follicular phase, ovulation, and the luteal phase. The follicular phase is when the body starts to produce more of a hormone called estrogen. This hormone causes the lining of the uterus, or womb, to thicken with nutrient-rich tissue and blood vessels, creating the perfect environment for a fertilized egg to grow. Next comes ovulation, when an egg is released from one of the ovaries into the fallopian tube. If this egg meets a sperm and becomes fertilized, it can attach itself to the thickened uterine lining and grow into a baby. But if the egg doesn't get fertilized, then we enter the luteal phase. Here, levels of estrogen drop, and another hormone called progesterone takes the lead. Progesterone maintains the thickened uterine lining for a while, but if no pregnancy occurs, its levels fall. This hormonal shift triggers menstruation, which is the shedding of the thickened uterine lining. This shedding, mixed with some blood, exits the body through the vagina, and voila, we have a period. And then, the cycle begins all over again. It's a fascinating process that our bodies go through every month, all in the name of reproduction. So, menstruation is essentially the body's way of preparing for a potential pregnancy, and then resetting when this doesn't occur. But why is menstruation so important, you may ask? Well, beyond its role in the reproductive cycle, menstruation serves as a vital health indicator for individuals with uteruses. Regular periods are often a sign of good health and fertility. They show that the body is functioning as it should, with the monthly shedding of the uterine lining indicating a healthy reproductive system. Conversely, irregularities or changes in menstrual cycles can sometimes be a signal of underlying health issues. This could range from stress, poor nutrition, or more serious conditions like polycystic ovary syndrome or endometriosis. These irregularities shouldn't be overlooked or dismissed as mere inconveniences. Instead, they should prompt a visit to a healthcare professional for a checkup. So, while it may sometimes seem like a nuisance, menstruation performs an invaluable function. In essence, menstruation is not just a monthly inconvenience, but an important indication of a woman's overall health and fertility.